Financial Statement Analysis. Sum number 2. From the following particulars, prepare comparative income statement of Barney Limited. The given particulars are: revenue from operations for the year 2016 to 17 is rupees 30,000 and for the year 2017 to 18 is 45,000. Other income is 4,000 for the year 2016 to 17 and 6,000 is for the year 2017 to 18. Expenses is rupees 10,000 for the year 2016 to 17 and 15,000 is for the year 2017 to 18. Income tax is 30% for the year 2016 to 17 and again 30% for the year 2017 to 18. Here, now we have to prepare comparative income statement of Barney Limited. This is the format for comparative income statement of Barney Limited for the year ended 31st March 2017 and 31st March 2018. First, we have to substitute these amounts. Now, as we have substituted the given amounts, after that we have to proceed with our calculation. That is, 30,000 plus 4,000 will gives you 34,000 and 45,000 plus 6,000 is 51,000. And then if we less 34,000 with 10,000 will gives you rupees 24,000, and if we less 51,000 minus 15,000 will gives you rupees 36,000. For the calculation of income tax, they had said that income tax should be calculated with 30%, as the profit before tax is 24,000 and 36,000. With this amount, we have to calculate 30% for getting profit after tax. For the calculation of income tax, we have to calculate with profit before tax with the income tax percentage, that is 24,000 into 30%. 24,000 into 30 by 100 will gives you rupees 7,200. Similarly, for the year 2017 to 18, 36,000 into 30%, that is 36,000 into 30 by 100 will gives you rupees 10,800. If we less 24,000 with 7,200 will gives you 16,800, and if we less 36,000 with 10,800 will gives you rupees 25,200, which is the amount of profit after tax. After that, we have to find whether 2016 to 17 and 17 to 18 is increasing or decreasing. By comparing to the previous year, revenue from operation has been increased by 15,000. Similarly, for the other particulars, other income has been increased by 2,000. Total revenue has been increased by rupees 17,000. Expenses has been increased by 5,000. Profit before tax has been increased by 12,000. Income tax has been increased by 3,600 and profit after tax has been increased by 8,400 by comparing previous years. After finding absolute amount of increase or decrease, we have to find the percentage for absolute amount of increase or decrease. The formula for finding the percentage of increase or decrease is absolute amount of increase or decrease by year 1 amount into 100. That is, for the percentage of revenue from operations, the absolute amount is 15,000 by year 1 amount, which is 2016 to 17, that is 30,000 into 100. 15,000 by 30,000 into 100 will gives you 50%. Similarly, we have to find the percentage for rest of the particulars, that is 2,000 by 4,000 into 100, 17,000 by 34,000 into 100, 5,000 by 10,000 into 100, 12,000 by 24,000 into 100, 3,600 by 7,200 into 100, 8,400 by 16,800 into 100. Here is the calculation for finding percentage. For all the particulars, we are getting as 50%. So, therefore, this is the format of finding comparative income statement.